children, welcome back to my online class. This is your English teacher Shivani ma'am. Students, today I am making this video for class 7th, and as you all know that we have completed our syllabus and your PT exam is also approaching. So I guess it's the right time to revise all the chapters. So from today onwards, I will be re-explaining all the lessons that we have already completed few months back. So the very first chapter from your main course book is The Surprise Party, written by J.R.R. Tolkien. So students, this story is actually an extraction from the real book The Hobbit. Okay, the main novel is The Hobbit, and this is just chapter 1 from that book that we have in our syllabus. So let me just summarize the story for you. Bilbo Baggins is a hobbit. Now the question occurs, what is a hobbit? A small beardless creature with hairy feet who is quite sociable and loves the comfort of home. So what is the definition of hobbit? That hobbits are small beardless creature and they are smaller than dwarfs. His mother was a member of the Took family, who are considered a little irregular because they were rumored to have intermarried with a fairy and because they loved adventure. Bilbo himself is a very well-off and fond of food and clothes, but he is not fond of any adventure. His house is beautifully furnished, hole in the ground. So where Bilbo Baggins used to live? He used to live under a hole, inside a hole, but that hole wasn't a dirty kind of hole. That hole was a small hole, but it was sufficient to sit around, and that hole was something in which many dwarfs can sit comfortably. Bilbo Baggins greets a passer by not recognizing him as Gandalf the Wizard. Wizard means magician. Gandalf tells Bilbo that he is looking for someone to share an adventure with. So one day he was just sitting and he was chilling. Okay, Bilbo Baggins was just chilling and he saw that person was passing from there and he didn't recognize the person. Okay, and the person was Gandalf. He was a wizard. Gandalf tells Bilbo that he is looking for someone to share an adventure with, but Bilbo firmly declines the invitation even after Gandalf reveals his identity to Bilbo and reminds him of Gandalf's long-time friendship with the Took family. Bilbo invites him to tea the next day. Gandalf makes a strange mark on the outside of the Bilbo's front door and leaves. Okay, so when Gandalf came to Bilbo, Bilbo just didn't recognize him, and then Gandalf told him that he was looking for someone to share an adventure, but Bilbo said that no, I am a sober person and we are just a sober creature, we don't like any sort of adventures. So Gandalf was a sticky kind of person. So again Bilbo Baggins said that okay, the next day you can come to have a tea with me. Now, Bilbo here, why did Bilbo invite Gandalf when he didn't like Gandalf? This is the question. This is the very important question, that why Bilbo invited Gandalf. So, Bilbo invited Gandalf because he wanted to get rid of Gandalf at that point of time. वो उस टाइम सिर्फ उससे पीछा छुड़ाना चाहता था, इसलिए उसने कहा कि ठीक है तुम कल आना. The next day, Gandalf and 13 dwarves, Dolin, Balin, Kili, Fili, Dori, Nori, Ori, Oin, Gloin, Bifur, Bofur, Bombur and Thorin visit Bilbo and make themselves at home. Okay, so next day what happened? Whom did Bilbo expect to come? Bilbo expected Gandalf to come, but there was not only Gandalf, but along with Gandalf other 13 dwarfs came, and these were their names. Dolin was the first dwarf to come to Bilbo's house, and Thorin was the most proudy dwarf to come at Bilbo's house. So these two things are very important. सबसे proudy कौन था? Thorin था. सबसे पहले कौन आया था बिल्बो के घर? Dolin आया था. किसे बिल्बो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो बिल्बो के घर आएगा? Gandalf को. ठीक. So these little things are very important. They demand refreshments, and while they eat, they talk, smoke, sing, and play musical instruments. So when they came to Bilbo's house, they started to giving him order that bring me cake, bring me this, bring me that, bring me, the dwarfs sing of seeking a treasure that lies buried under the mountain guarded by a dragon. So the dwarfs, the 13 dwarfs, they started to sing, they started to talk about the adventures that they had in their life. वो बातें करने लगे उन adventures के बारे में, उन dragons के बारे में जो उन्होंने अभी तक की अपनी लाइफ में विटनेस किया है. Thorin, their leader, and one thing I told you about Thorin is that Thorin is the most proudy dwarf also. Okay, Thorin, their leader, addresses the group, including Bilbo, whom he calls a fellow conspirator, reminding them that they are embarking the next day on the journey from which they may not return. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो थॉरिन है ये बताता है कि कल हम लोग एक ऐसी एडवेंचरस जर्नी पे जा रहे हैं जहाँ से हो सकता है कि हम लोग वापस भी ना आए. ठीक है. Bilbo, who had not planned to join the group, becomes frightened and falls into a fit. अब जो बिल्बो है, he is a plain and sober kind of creature, so he wasn't expected any adventure in his life. So he became a little furious. He became scared when he heard that adventure, an adventurous plan, and I might be the part of that adventure. When he comes to, he learns that Gandalf had advertised his service as a burglar, the meaning of the secret mark on the door, hoping that the dwarf would recruit him. Bilbo agrees to go on the journey, partially out of pride, because the dwarfs are skeptical of his ability. Gandalf takes out a map made by Thorin's grandfather, that shows where the treasure is hidden. He points to a secret entrance marked on the map and gives Thorin the key to it. Thorin tells the story of his ancestors who lived in great wealth under the mountain near Dale until Smaug, the dragon, invaded Dale and took control of the treasure of the mountain. Bilbo asks about the business details of the adventure. They go to bed with plans for an early start in the next morning. Students, many things from this chapter is not in your textbook, okay, because a lot of things are already extracted from your chapter. This whole story is from the main novel द हॉबिट. ठीक है, जो हॉबिट चैप्टर है उसका जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है हॉबिट नॉवल का, ये उसकी स्टोरी है. इसमें से 2-4 लाइन्स ऐसी भी हैं जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं दी गई है. ठीक है, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. दिस इज़ जस्ट एन एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. इफ़ यू वांट टू रीड यू कैन रीड. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू रीड जस्ट लीव इट. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड डोंट गेट scared. Okay, now see what is the analysis of this story. The novel begins by introducing the story's main character, Bilbo Baggins. Okay, so the main character, the protagonist of this story is Bilbo Baggins. The whole story will revolve around Bilbo Baggins, establishing the fantasy world of the story and providing the premise for the journey, that structure of the plot. Despite being a creature the reader has never seen, a hobbit, Bilbo Baggins is described in physical, psychological and social terms that are quite understandable. Okay, this line means that we readers like me, like you, and like several other readers who had never seen what hobbit actually looked like, isn't it? हमें नहीं पता कि हॉबिट कैसा दिखता है, हमें ये नहीं पता कि हॉबिट कुछ होता भी है कि नहीं रियल में, बट वी कैन एक्चुअली इमेजिन व्हाट बिल्बो बैगिंग्स लुक्स लाइक. ठीक है, हम इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि बिल्बो बैगिंग कैसा लगता होगा, बिकॉज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ बिल्बो बैगिंग्स इज गिवन सो वेल. द साइकोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ बिल्बो, कि वो कैसा था, वो डर गया था एडवेंचर के बारे में सुन के, उसका मन नहीं था, वो बहुत सोबर काइंड का था, या उसकी जो फिज़िकल अपीयरेंस थी, ठीक है, कि वो डॉर्फ से भी छोटा था, उसके लेग्स जो थे उसमें से एक लेदरी लीव्स ग्रो करती थी, सो ही डिड नॉट हैव टू वियर स्लीपर्स. He looks like an adult human, except that he is about half the height, is beardless, and has thick curly hair growing on his feet. See, now the physical description is given here also. A hobbit does not wear shoes. Just now I've told you. He is quite domestic and enjoys the comfort of his वेल फर्निश्ड हॉबिट हॉल. उसे एडवेंचर पे जाना पसंद नहीं था. वो डोमेस्टिक लविंग पर्सन था. उसको अपने घर में रहना पसंद था. उसका जो अपना एक कंफर्टेबल हॉबिट होल था विच वॉज स्मॉल बट वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर हिम, वो वहीं पर एंजॉय करता था. एंड ही वॉज अ फॉन्ड ऑफ गुड फूड, ओके, एंड स्मोक. From his mother's side of the family, he is a model of adventurousness and also the financial resources to enjoy a life of leisure. Okay, now this is not important. Come here. Hobbits are not the only unusual creatures in this novel. The first chapter introduces a wizard, Gandalf, and 13 dwarfs. Okay, so only Hobbit is not something which is unusual for us. Gandalf is also there, who is the wizard, and 13 other dwarfs. So in a way you can say the whole story, the whole novel is a fantasized story. It's a जैसी stories बच्चों को पसंद होती हैं उस टाइप की story है. While these creatures are not real to readers' experience, the narrator describes them in a matter of fact as possessing a history and understandable creature traits in addition to their unique physical appearance. We do not know them personally, we do not know Gandalf, we do not know Hobbit, but we can actually imagine them in our head because the description is given so well. The dwarfs love beautiful material things. They like to make merry with food, drink and song, and they can be fierce and vengeful. Their impulse to journey to the mountain to seek revenge from Smaug's theft of their treasures contrast with Bilbo's hobbit-like reluctance to leave his comfortable home. यहाँ पे जो अदर 13 डॉर्फ्स हैं उन्हें एडवेंचर पसंद है, उन्हें खाना पसंद है, उन्हें गाना पसंद है. वो लोग काफ़ी एडवेंचरस टाइप के हैं और वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम लोग जाएंगे स्मैग ड्रैगन से अपना ट्रेजर वापस लेने, स्मैग ड्रैगन से अपना ख़जाना वापस लेने. और वो ये चाहते रहते हैं कि बिल्बो बैगिंग्स भी उन्हें उनका सपोर्ट करें, ठीक है, उनका कंपेनियन बने. ओके, सो this is something really important. So this is the homework questions and answers you have to write yourself. I'm not going to give you the answer because answers are so easy that I don't expect you guys not to know this answer. Question number 1 is, who is the writer of the surprise party? My god, such a tough question, isn't it? Question number 2, what do you understand by hobbit? What do you understand by hobbit? What do you understand by throng? Now this word is very very important. This word came in your textbook, okay, so you have to write the meaning of throng. Next question, why did Bilbo invite Gandalf for tea? क्यों इन्वाइट किया? जब वो गैंडाल्फ को पसंद नहीं करता तो भी उसने गैंडाल्फ को क्यों इन्वाइट किया कि कल तुम आना चाय पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट डॉर्फ टू विजिट Bilbo? Who was the first dwarf to visit Bilbo? So students, this was the summarized story of first chapter, the surprise party. If you still feel anything where you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to write your names, roll number, class in the comment section. Okay, you can also give me answers in the comment section if you want. So in the next video we will meet up again with another video, another chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe.